are going to count to 3. And when we count to 3, you all pull. Okay? 1, 1, 2, 3.
Pull.
Pull, 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 pull. Pull.
Pull.
Hard. Pull it. Pull it. Shake it. Yay! Ready?
Get the candy, girl.
Get it, girls. Get it. Get it. Get it. Olivia, what's there? Okay, well, grab more. Here, I'll hold it and we'll open it in a second. There's more on the floor. Lily's got the right idea.
Is she loading up?
Yeah, which is fine. She earned it.
Lily.
Okay, who wants a bag?
Thank you.
Here, Lily.
Let's wait until after lunch.
There you go. Take that to Mama.
Don't take too much, sweet. I'm going to save some for the other.
Thank you.
For the little
Okay, go
girl.
give that to Mama. There's plenty on the floor still.
Okay.
Have fun. Have a good
Thank
look.
you.
Thank you.
I know.
Who needs a bag?